This is a review of the Survival Garden Seeds 10-pack of lettuce, and the brand sent this to me so that I can do a review, and I'm glad that they did. Looking over this 10-pack of variety of lettuce, I'm seeing several very good varieties that I have grown in the past and a couple that I have not, and so I'm looking forward to trying those out. There's the red salad bowl mix along with the green salad bowl mix. There is all the year-round lettuce. I have not done this one yet, but it is stating it's a light green, crisp form, medium-sized heads that are both tender and flavorful. So I'm looking forward to this one in particular. And I have done black-seeded Simpson before. This one is known for being a little bit more heat tolerant than most variety of lettuces. And then we've got Butter Crunch, which is a fan favorite in our house. And then there is the Iceberg and Lola Rosa. I have not done or heard of this one before, so I am really looking forward to it because this one, this variety is hardy in cool weather and can be continuously harvested and regrown. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that one tastes. And then along with oak leaf. So what I would probably end up doing with this one is, from the looks of it, I'd probably be harvesting it at the baby leaf stage, just because I really enjoy baby greens. And then we've got red romaine and we have Paris Island. I have not done this one either, but this one states that it is a little bit more heat resistant, slow to bolt, and this particular lettuce tends to retain its sweet flavors. I'm really looking forward to growing new varieties this year.